Hello everyone, let's get started. First we are starting with a primer. For this I am using Swiss Beauty's Pearl Primer. Next we are going to apply foundation. For this I am using Swiss Beauty's High Coverage Foundation and blending it with the Beauty Blender. Forever 51 Beauty Blender. Now it's time for a concealer. For this I am using the Fashion Factory concealer. We are applying concealer on our dark circles and upper of my lid and hyperpigmentation. For setting the base I am using Clayme's loose powder. Setting his base is necessary. I'm taking the light brown color from the Revolution palette and applying on my upper of my crease and blending with the fluffy brush. Now we want a green smoky eye, so I'm taking a green color from the Hilary Rhoda palette and applying with a flat brush on my eyelid. Now doing the same thing on my other eye. Make sure that you are blending your corners so well. For blending it smoothly, I am using again the same light brown shade and applying on my upper of my crease line and blending it with fluffy brush. I'm taking wipes to wipe out the extras. For inner corners of my eye, I am using green glitter eyeshadow from Revolution palette and applying on my inner corners and concealing the outer corners. I'm taking the same green color from Hilary Rhoda palette and applying on my lower lash line. Giving more depth to this look, I am picking up the black eyeshadow palette and applying as a liner on my upper lash line. I don't know why my look is incomplete without kajal, so I am applying kajal on my lower and upper waterline. Setting my brows, for I am taking the mascara wand and brown gel liner and fill in my brows. And never ever forget to highlight your inner corners and brow bonds. Applying blusher, I am taking the Oriflame's green blusher. For highlighting, I am taking the Swiss Beauty's bronzing palette and highlights my highlighting points. For lipstick, I am taking the bronze color. Now lipstick and makeup is done. Let's talk about hair. Let me open my hair first and let me check. Oh my god, my hair is looking so flawless. I don't want to do any styling with it. What do I do? So, what do you think about this look? If you like this look, then please like, share, comment and subscribe. If you like my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. Oh, let me flaunt my hair first. Isn't it look super? So, yeah. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay glam and thank you for watching. Bye bye.